word tango.
Uh,
What's your name?
my name is Andrea.
Andrew, nice to meet you. So, did
Nice to meet you.
you get the PDF I sent you?
Oh yes. I just wait a minute. I'm okay.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so for the warm up, we're going to talk about how we introduce each other. So, just like what we just did, so what would you normally say to introduce yourself?
Uh,
You
I
go ahead.
like first nice to meet you,
Yep, nice to meet you.
and and like my name is Andrea, and uh introduce my hobbies and my something I like, and
Yeah, your favorite food.
uh
Yeah.
well,
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so like what I did, I said my name is Matt, and I work for Word Tango, and I might talk about my favorite food. I love pizza. What's your favorite food?
my favorite food is uh I like all the foods, and I think that
It's hard to choose,
all
right?
delicious.
Okay, let's move on to the next page. So, um, now when you're getting to know them, you get to know their name, and then maybe you'll ask them what they like to do. So we could talk about hobbies. So, what are your hobbies?
Uh, I like I like playing the traditional musician, uh like uh decimal and
Traditional
uh
music, is that what you said? You,
what?
s- did you say traditional music or?
Yeah, yes.
Oh yeah, I like listening to music too. Yeah. Um, Something that I do in my free time during my spare time. Um, I'm at school, so I have to study a lot. But I take pictures. Um, I like photography. Um, I like eating. So, you said that you like to listen to music, right?
Yes.
Now, how long have you been doing this for?
Uh, during when I come into the middle school.
You work at the middle school?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And how do you like doing that?
Uh,
How do you like the middle school? Is it a fun job?
yes.
You like it? Yeah. What do you do there?
I study there.
Oh, you study there? Yeah, nice. Um, and so how often do you let's talk about your hobby again. So you like to listen to music now?
Yes.
So how often do you listen to music, like say per week?
For a week. When uh when some free times, and I always listen to music. Like uh in the bus, and just nothing to do, and I listen to the music.
Oh, okay. Yeah. How often though? How many times a week?
10 times a week.
10 times a week? Oh, okay. Yeah, me too. It's normal. Yeah. Um, okay. And then moving on to the next page, we could talk about maybe the person you're speaking with, they like sports. Um, that could be another hobby. So you might ask them what are their favorite things. Um, so what's your favorite thing to do?
Favorite thing to do. I like playing the golf, and I think it is very interesting.
Yeah, that's awesome. I like to play piano. I think it's probably my favorite thing to do. Um, and we could talk about seasons. What's your favorite season?
Season, I like I like summer.
I like summer too. You can go to the beach.
Because yes, I can eat ice creams.
Yeah, you can eat ice cream. It's nice and hot out. Yeah. And now you said for music, your favorite is traditional music, you said?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. My favorite music is pop. So, anything on the radio, it's nice. Do you have a favorite holiday?
Summer holiday.
Oh, the summer holiday? How is that? In the summer holiday, what do you do?
I do the school homework and uh, sometimes when I free and I watch the TV and play the iPhone.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. It's nice to have free time, right?
Yes.
And some of our useful expressions here is personally, I think, because it's an opinion, right? You could say, I suppose that ice skating is fun. And then the last one is in my opinion. In my opinion, it shows preference. So, in my opinion, I like working. I don't like working. Would you like to use one of the useful expressions? Do you see them on the bottom?
Which page?
It's on what are your favorite things?
Okay, I see.
Do you see the useful expressions?
Yes, I see, I see.
You want to try to use one?
Uh, uh, Personally, uh, I think, uh,
Give any opinion. Do you not understand?
please repeat again.
Oh, yeah, of course. Um, so just use one of the useful expressions and just form a sentence. So I might do in my opinion. That's the third option. So I would say, in my opinion, I don't like working.
Oh, I
Just
see.
like that. Why don't you try personally, I think?
Personally, I think, uh, 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 having a holiday, uh, is is very nice because it can give me more the free time uh than uh than weekdays. Just I always do the homework at the weekdays, and in the
Hmm.
holiday I can have more the free time.
Yeah. Um, I'd say the same thing. Yeah. Holidays are nice. You don't have to do your schoolwork. You can relax. Go to the beach if it's summer.
Yeah.
Right now, I can't go to the beach because it's snowing. But okay. How is the weather over there? Is it hot out? Is it cold?
Uh, it is cold because it is in the winter, and
Mm.
uh, uh,
Okay, so now for the next page, it says, talk about a song that you listen to. So this is perfect. You were telling me that you listened to music earlier.
yes,
So tell me about a specific song. What is it called?
uh, it's called Lemon, and it is the Japanese song.
Okay. And how long have you liked it?
Uh, 1 year.
Oh, okay. And when do you like to listen to this song?
Uh, when my friend uh showed to me, and I just listen it, and I think it is very nice.
Okay. Yeah. Um, when do you listen to it though? Like during like when you're free, every Tuesday, every week.
Every week.
You listen to it every week? Yeah. I listen to my songs every week as well. And I think you answered the last one. Why do you like it so much? So why do you like this song so much?
I think it is uh uh let me think it.
Yeah, take your
Uh,
time.
uh, I think the song you listen to it and you think it is very nice, and uh and the 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 and mm,
um,
mm,
so if I like a song, you might ask me why, and I would be like, um, I think the song makes me feel good. Um, you might ask me why, and I would say it kills time. So why do you like this? Why do you like this
yeah.
song in particular?
Mm. Because it bring me joy in my spare time, and let me feel not boring.
Yeah, yeah, it fills up the time. Um, so some of the useful expressions are, they're on the bottom of the page. It's like when I listen to this song, I feel good. Um, During the spring, I like to listen to this song. That's the second useful expression. And then the third one, um, the reasons I enjoy it, the reasons I enjoy listening to the song are because I have free time. I like to distract myself. Um, so, are there any words that you don't understand on this page?
No,
Oh.
just
Do you want to try to form a sentence with one of these expressions?
yes.
Try it.
wait, I
Do you see which page we're on?
page 5.
Yeah, it's on page 5. So try using the first useful expression. So when I listen to blank, I feel blank.
Uh, when I listen to lemon, I feel uh I feel uh
Happy, sad.
I feel happy and the
Have you ever heard of the word nostalgic?
uh
Have you heard of the word nostalgic? Nostalgic? It's an adjective. It just means that like you miss the past. So if I listen to a song from 20 years ago, I'll be like, "Oh, I feel nostalgic, you know. I wish I was living in the past." Do you understand?
uh
Yes, no. Okay. Um hmm. So do you have any questions on this?
no.
How are you feeling? Good with the lesson? Okay. So on the next page, on page 6, we have let's practice. So for the first column, we have check for understanding. Um, and that's if you don't understand what's going on, um, and you have a question. Do you want to try to read out some of them? Can you read the bullets?
Uh, check for understanding this.
Yep.
Uh, you know what I mean.
Yep.
I'm not sure I understand what you mean.
Yep.
You mean what? What I'm trying to say is, are you saying that? Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Yeah. So those are just like when you're confused and you could use it with me. You're like, oh, Matt, I don't know what you meant here. Can you please repeat? Um, and so on. Do you understand all of those?
Yes.
See, I checked for understanding. um, Now the other column is make a suggestion. So maybe sometimes you don't like this, and you want something else instead. So you'd be like, "Oh, Matt, what if we use Skype instead?" And or you might say, "Why not Skype?" Do you know what Skype is?
Yes.
It's another video chat service. So some other students use Skype. So some of them might be like, "Oh, Matt, we better try WeChat instead of Skype." So they're making a suggestion. Would you like to make a suggestion to me?
Uh, how about paying instead?
Yeah, perfect. Um, and then so I might say I'm afraid not. Like it would be expressing disagreement. So it's the third column. So I would say I'm afraid I can't agree. I don't like that. Um, and I would be like, maybe you would tell me a story, and I would say, oh, that's true, but it's probably not likely to happen. Um, or you could do the opposite. There's also express agreement. Um, so you could say, I couldn't agree with you more. Like, oh, you're so right. I absolutely love Skype, for example. Um, do you want to read some of the agreement ones?
Mm, uh,
It's the agreement ones. It's the column on the bottom right side of the page.
page 7.
Yep.
Oh,
So it's the one that starts with I couldn't agree with you more.
uh, C.
Hmm?
Uh,
So it's the ones that says I couldn't agree with you more. I just want you to read the other ones. Do you understand?
please repeat again.
Yeah, sure. Um, it says express agreement on the bottom of the page, right? You see that? So I just wanted you to read some of the category, some of the bullets.
Is this on page 7
Oh,
or 6?
page six, sorry.
Uh,
Oh, that's probably why you were
uh,
confused.
express a disagreement.
Yep.
I'm afraid I can't agree. I see a point, however, but I have to disagree. That's true, but
Yeah, good job. Would you like to move on? Should we go to the next page?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
We don't have a lot of time for the comprehension, so I'm actually going to skip over to the page 8, the discussion. So the first question, do you see it?
Yes. What time does he feed his dog?
No, the next page. I said we don't have enough time for that.
Okay, okay.
Do you see the first question?
I see. I think it is important.
You think music is important, and why?
Because if I live without music, I will think the life is boring and not colorful.
Yeah, that's true. Um, Music is definitely important to um, make life a lot more interesting. Um, I think it brings out emotions. Do you get emotional when you listen to music? Do you know what emotional means? Um, so when I listen to music, maybe I'll get sad. Um, do you get sad when you listen to some songs? Like sad, like crying.
Oh yes.
Some songs could make you cry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the second one. What kind of foods do you like to eat?
Junk food.
Yeah, that's the best, right? What kind of foods?
Mm, Sometimes fruits is my favorite,
Yeah,
and I think it is delicious.
yeah, definitely. I like to eat pizza a lot. I like
Mhm.
Italian food. Um, Now, number three, what will music be like in the future? What do you think?
I think it will be popular uh, because people in the future will be uh, lonely than before, and they will need the music to uh, to they will need the music with them all the time.
Yeah, I agree. I think
Mm.
music will definitely get more popular. You bring up a good point. Um, let's do number four. Describe a vacation or a holiday um, where you would like to go on in the future.
Mm,
So, vacation. Would you would
I
you
want to
would you leave China or?
I want to go to Holland in summer holiday.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. Um, in my future, I would like to go to maybe Greece. Do you know where Greece is?
Yes, Grace.
With the pretty islands. Yeah, that would be a cool
Yeah.
holiday. Be very relaxing, right? Okay, that is the last question on the lesson. So, how are you feeling about the lesson? Good?
Yes, I think it's good.
Yeah. Um, the lessons will be best if you communicate with me. Just like whenever you don't understand anything, don't hesitate. Let me know. I can always repeat. Um, as for now, um, I'll see you next time.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.